Modern diesel engines are incredible pieces of engineering, but they come with complex emission systems that can be a nightmare when they act up. If you are seeing code P204F, you are dealing with a reductant system performance issue on bank 1. In simple terms, your truck or car uses a fluid, often called DEF or AdBlue, to clean up the nasty nitrogen oxide emissions from the exhaust. The computer is constantly monitoring the pressure and quality of this fluid. When it triggers this code, it is telling you that the system is not working efficiently, and the emissions coming out of the tailpipe are too high. This is a severe code. Why? Because unlike a minor sensor glitch on a gas car, most modern diesels will go into a limp mode or start a countdown that prevents the engine from restarting if this isn't fixed. The computer essentially puts the vehicle in a timeout to prevent pollution. The symptoms are usually obvious: a lack of power, excessive black smoke, and a warning message on your dash. The causes can range from a failing reductant pressure sensor to a bad injector that sprays the fluid into the exhaust. Sometimes, it is as simple as the fluid itself being old or contaminated. DEF has a shelf life, and if you bought cheap fluid or it sat in a hot garage for a year, it might not work correctly. To troubleshoot this, you really need a scan tool that can read live data. You want to look at the reductant pressure values. If the pressure is erratic or non-existent, you might have a failing pump or a leak. If the pressure is good, the problem might be the injector nozzle being clogged with crystallized fluid, which looks like white crusty powder. You can also use a digital multimeter to check the electrical circuits for the sensors, looking for open wires or shorts. Wiring issues are common because these harnesses run underneath the vehicle where road debris can hit them. Before you start replacing expensive pumps or injectors, check for technical service bulletins for your specific truck. Sometimes manufacturers release software updates for the computer that fix false codes. This isn't a problem you can just drive through. You need to address it immediately to avoid being stranded or damaging the expensive catalytic converter system.